Kyle?
Nick?
Practice day?
Practice day!
Look how good we look.
I look sexy as
Oh
hell,
my
man.
gosh.
You can't even tell that my pants are 2 sizes too big for me right now.
Same. Classic. How we feeling?
Good, man. Ready to get loose, ready to get on
Yeah.
the lanes, just get comfortable and see how the pattern's playing, you know?
Yeah, like I said, practice day. What do you do for practice?
What do I do for practice? I like to just get a feel for the bowling alley. I like to, like approaches, ball return, just get a good feel so I feel like, I don't know, I'm just not like a stranger in a bowling alley, for lack of better terms. And then I like to get my spare game down. I like to just be comfortable shooting a bunch of spares and then figuring out the pattern. And yeah, it's just about getting comfortable, you know? The pattern's gonna play different probably all week, you know? And so it's just about getting somewhat of an idea and getting comfortable.
Yeah, I'm the same. I just, test the approaches. It's really hot down here, but I heard they're slippery. So they don't go hand in hand.
Yeah,
so
that's a strange combination.
Yeah, because usually when it's hot and muggy outside, like it's very tropical down here, you get sticky approaches. But we're gonna find out. I did see, I think they're really long ball returns.
Yeah.
So that's not good for
Are
me.
they?
I think so. I think.
Oh,
Based off of the one picture, they're
Oh,
Brunswick,
no.
but they extend really far out.
We don't like to hear that,
No.
boys.
So we'll be in front by game 1, and yeah, we're just gonna
We in there.
take
Let's
it one day.
Throw some shots, baby.
Yeah. So practice day coming at you. Boys,
Hello, hello.
Good morning.
welcome. How are we feeling?
Feeling good, man.
Okay, I asked Kyle the same thing. What do you do at a practice session?
Try to win it. Try
Try
to
to
strike
win.
as much as possible.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
You don't want to do that. That's not the right idea.
Chris, what are you trying to do at a practice session?
I always win practice, so
Always.
just be me.
All those 4-pins stand up and then they wait for the next day, right?
Yeah, I
How's
try
that?
to see how many 4-pins I would have tripped in a block, keep count, and then I try to get to that count the next day. Yeah.
All right. Cam,
Yo,
first practice outside of the country. You nervous?
huh?
Nervous?
Yeah, that people are gonna think my hair looks stupid.
No,
Not
it
about the
looks
bowling
good.
court. No, it doesn't. Don't lie to me.
Channeling
like
your
that.
inner Kyle Troop right now, picking it out.
Don't say that. Don't say
He's
that.
got a better fro than you. Come on.
See, now you tripping.
Dude, you don't even need it. It looks good.
The other house member is back, alive.
I'm out of jail.
Not in jail, because we're not in the United States. We are in Colombia. You can
Yeah, I'm
come
allowed
here.
in Colombia, but not the United States.
What have you been doing in Canada?
Just getting shredded,
Wait, can you zoom in?
Getting pitted.
getting yoked, as they say. That's about it, really. Kind of a bum right now.
Yeah. Well, at least you're here.
Yeah.
And we got the 2-time over here.
Drinking his cup.
What up?
Zach Bud,
Hey, bud.
what you been doing? You've been in the States more than Mitch recently.
I have. I've been in his neck of the woods.
So you've been more Canadian than Mitch.
No, more American than Canadian. He's been more Canadian than American.
Yeah, that's true.
I got my
Makes
accent back, yeah.
I've heard it once.
Still got that KC barbecue in it.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, that's just beer.
Like there, right there.
That's just beer.
You're finally back.
We're back.
We're back
The
together.
boys are back.
Boys are back in town.
I missed you.
I know, I missed you too. Did your hair get longer?
Yes. I haven't cut my hair in like a year now.
The last time we saw each other, you weren't engaged. Now you're an engaged man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Take us through the moment.
Well, you just have to be there.
Well, I wasn't invited.
To the moment.
Yeah.
It's just like in the movies.
They're a nice neighborhood. Ball's too soft.
It's definitely gonna be too soft in here.
When you're prepping for a shorter pattern,
Everything good? Yeah.
just a rack full.
Oh, flash of the right kind.
Hey, yo.
We're hoping that this is is the magical ball this week.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one right here. Black hammer, maybe some purple this week, but we're hoping the black hammer's the one.
Well, if we're going off of that rack,
That's a rat right there. There's only one not purple ball in that rat.
We have an egg here that it's like.
But hey, you never know. That might be the answer. It looks like there's a motive purple ball in that rat too.
Where is it? That one?
can you spot it? Can you spot the motive ball on that rack?
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
You want me to go point at it?
Yeah.
That's not a motive ball.
No, there's a motive ball on there.
Purple tag, isn't there?
No, it's not.
Oh, really?
It's a track. It's a Legion.
Oh.
Or whatever that is.
That is a Legion. Legion? That's a Triton Elite, actually.
We were close. Oh well.
We tried.
It's purple. They all do the same thing. See out there. 7J? 7J?
7J is alright. Not as good as I was hoping. Not as good as Peru. But it was alright. I know they're hard. Like 38 feet, the gutter wasn't amazing. The middles were like pretty flat. So it was either like hard and straighter or like left and slow wheel.
Are they as hard as Worlds, the one you won?
No. I think they're a little softer than that.
Really?
But not by much.
Not by much.
The gutter didn't play at all.
Okay, they kind of play here.
I mean, a little bit.
I think to start they will.
Yeah, I don't know. You might be able to just like kind of loft it and like stay on the gutter. I don't know, I guess we'll see. Like, it's hard to judge off practice. Like, everybody's
There's
just
no
throwing
practice shots. Yeah.
Nobody's throwing spare shots. Like, nobody's really lining up. They're trying different things. So, only time will tell.
What'd you think, Nick? They're hard. I like bowling on tour patterns a little softer.
Are they like US Open hard? Okay, no, they're way harder than the US Open.
They're Hong Kong World hard.
Yeah, there you go.
Dang, that's
Hong Kong World hard.
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
I didn't get to experience that. They are tricky, but I'm the urethane king, so I'm gonna come out of the gates.
We're only playing left of 16 with urethane.
I might be to start. But Zach and I are gonna have the furthest one left race, so
Yeah.
Zach's a master though.
Yeah, that's really my A game.
yeah, same.
Like,
And
I honestly might start at 20. I don't know.
Yeah, they're tricky. Tried a bunch of different things. I mean, I even tried urethane from 20 to like 7, and it struck.
I saw that. You're an expert at that, I thought.
I know. Hustle camo, baby, the goat.
I think like pair to pair is so hard dictating too.
Yes.
Like there's some pairs where you could hook the lane with urethane and some like it just never hooked.
It couldn't get there, I feel like. The front's hooked so much here. And then up here they're tighter down lane. It's just weird. I like a low scoring event.
Further right we went, the tighter they got down lane.
Yeah, like 210 might win a lot of
That's awesome.
A lot of things.
That's how bowling should be.
true. Shot maker's pattern, like those guys. Oh, there they are. Gotcha. Hey, what do we think? Hard, difficult, struggle bus.
Walled up.
Maybe for Cam, we saw him how much he struck
We
today.
did have
Left
two
is nice.
lefties win the practice session.
Left is nice.
We weren't supposed to win the practice session today, boys.
I'm gonna trip mini four pins.
They did. The team did.
Yeah,
But
but
two people
we were getting carried by the lefties.
Thanks a lot, asshole.
Alright, damn it.
All right, back in the room, right, Kyle?
Yeah, we in here.
We had a team meeting, and then we heard all this ruckus, like loud drums.
Did you already show them the footage of?
Yes.
You
I
already
sent it to Packy.
send it back.
I sent it to
I know you
Packy.
took it.
So Packy, you'll edit in this this part. We saw a soccer team or football down here. Their fans come and support, and they're loud, and it's just different. It's like Kyle explained, like going to a tailgate or something, but
Wait,
way more intense for sure.
I thought they were here for us at first.
Yeah, USA. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's see if that works out. But yeah, back in the room. How'd practice go today?
Yeah, it was good, man. It was fast. We had the bowl super fast.
Yeah.
So,
They're gonna
we
be
have
hard.
a day off tomorrow.
Yeah, we don't bowl for another 2 days. Yeah, it gives time for Packy to upload some videos. But yeah,
We're experiencing culture early down here. It's
Yeah.
cool. I like it.
Ain't that the truth?
That's like one of the best parts about traveling and getting to do what we do, is seeing stuff like that you don't see in the States. So
Yeah. So thanks guys for watching, and as Chris would say, please like and subscribe the video.